Hi, good day. M6355. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am, and sir. My name is Maribel C. Pascual. I'm 44 years old, married, but we don't have a kids. I'm Roman Catholic. I was born on December 2, 1981.
Your educational attainment.
I'm I'm graduate under
You are
level,
undergraduate.
yes, sir,
Of what
undergrad
course?
business administration.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience first in Philippines, I take care elderly. Priority working is cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and
Okay, you have also experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your
And
experience.
my experience working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, my employer is one couple, three kids, one son, 8 years old, and twins, 2 years old. For my priority working in Saudi is cooking, ironing, cleaning.
So
That's
you
all.
are do all the household chores and main
Yes.
duty is taking care of the children,
Yes,
which
sir.
is a 2 years old and 8 years old boy. 2 years old from 1 years old until 2 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
Twins.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right? Because you take care of 1 year old baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I take temperature if diaper and the diaper if not stop to cry I calling my employer.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like work in Hong Kong because my 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 good
Good employer.
employer in Hong Kong.
Okay, other than that,
I like money.
so you like to work in Hong Kong because you need money for your future.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also Hong Kong is the safest country to work with, right? Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
So 2 years and then more.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn to cooking Chinese food.
And how will you
Also
learn?
in YouTube or Google.
Okay, you will search on Google or
Yes, sir.
YouTube.
Yes,
And you
sir.
could also buy some recipe books or cookbooks so that you could learn. And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with the helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be the message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I will ha- I like to hire me because I'm I'm obedient, honest, and diligent. That's what. Thank you.
And may I ask if you will take good care of their children as your own?
I I take care the babies of my employer as on my family.
Okay. And also, can you follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Maribel. Thank you.
Thank